In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar event in Clio Manage. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a clear, organized event to your calendar with helpful details and reminders so nothing slips through the cracks. First, open Clio Manage and head to the left navigation menu. Click Calendar. This takes you to your firm's calendar view, where you can see your day, week, or month at a glance. If you already know when your event should happen, this is a good moment to confirm you're looking at the right date. Next, click New Event. This opens the event form where you'll add the details. Think of this as your central place to capture everything about the appointment in one go. Start by entering a clear, specific title in the title field. Aim for something descriptive like initial consultation or court appearance, so you can understand the event at a glance later. The title is what you and your team will see first, so keep it concise and meaningful. Now set the timing. Choose the start date and start time, then the end date and end time. Double-check that the times reflect the correct time zone and leave enough room for preparation or travel if needed. A thoughtful end time also helps avoid conflicts and keeps your schedule realistic. If it's helpful, add a location. You can type a physical address, a meeting room, or a virtual link. Including the location saves you time later and ensures everyone knows where to be. You can also link the event to a specific case by using the Matter dropdown. Associating the event with a matter keeps your calendar organized and makes it easier to track work and context in one place. If others need to be involved, use the Invite Attendees field to add firm users or contacts. This helps coordinate schedules and keeps everyone aligned. Attendees can receive the event details so they're prepared. To make sure you never miss it, click Add New Reminder. Choose timing that gives you enough lead time to prepare. Reminders are especially useful for time-sensitive appearances or client meetings. Use the description field for any notes or instructions you'll want handy later, like an agenda, documents to bring, or call-in details. The more context you add here, the fewer follow-up questions you'll have. When everything looks good, click Save Event. Your new event will appear on your calendar, and you can open it anytime to review or make updates as plans evolve. Thanks for watching.